This video will show you how to get started with your first project and will introduce the NVivo interface. First of all, start by clicking the blank project button. This will ask you to name the file. I'm just going to call this demo. You'll notice it will save by default to your My Documents folder. This will vary depending on what computer you're saving this on. For example, a University of Hull networked machine will default to the G drive. If you wish to change where it's saved, you can choose Browse and choose an alternative location. When you click OK, the file is saved and NVivo opens. You'll notice when you first start a project, the Quickstart Steps window opens. Here you will find a video and a tutorial that will give you an idea of the basics. As this video is a tutorial, I'm going to close this tab, but it can serve as a useful reminder for anyone revisiting NVivo after a break. You can see I've quickly switched to a version of the project with some files in, just to show you how the interface is set out. Don't worry, the next video will give you all the detail you need on how to add your own files. Here you can see there are two panes available. First, on the left hand side, we have folder view. Here you can see all the different folders that NVivo uses to store your data, analysis, thoughts and any other aspects of your project. The key area to focus on for this video is the files area, and you can see I'm currently within this. Files sits underneath data alongside file classifications and externals. If you look over here on the right hand side, you will see list view. Whenever you click on a folder in folder view, you will notice list view changes to show what is in that folder. In this case, I've clicked files and the files are available for me to see. You can, of course, add subfolders if these are useful. If I double click on any item in list view, for example, Margaret's interview, you will see it opens in detailed view. Detailed view is now the third pane that has appeared on my screen. If I have multiple items available in detailed view, you will see they open in tabs across the top. It's useful to know that I can right click on these tabs and choose some of the following options, such as close all but this, or close all. Throughout the other videos in this series, you will notice I often use the ribbons. In the ribbons you will find lots of options to be able to create, edit and amend stuff. Also, a lot of stuff in NVivo requires you to right click and gives you loads of different options in this context menu. Watch carefully to see which way I am using, but also note quite often there's more than one way to do things. This is always down to user preference, so feel free to explore the program as you become more confident. Stay tuned for the next video that will show you how to bring your own files into a blank project.